Hi guys, welcome to Tactics Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Midjourney alternatives, top 5 free AI tools. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be showing you 5 different platforms that would allow you to produce amazing outputs like Midjourney. Now, if you don't know, Midjourney is now currently being paid. So we will be showing you these 5 platforms that are free and you won't need any payment to be able to use them. So let's get started. Up first on our list, we have Leonardo AI. Now, Leonardo AI has their own website, different from Midjourney where they stick with Discord. And as you can see, Leonardo has a lot of capabilities, especially over here on their homepage. You will be able to see community feeds and you can see all of these amazing outputs right now. As you can see that people have been generating with this AI. It has a lot of power, and to be honest, I think this is very close to Midjourney or maybe even better, especially because it's free. And as you can see here, you will be able to produce any type of style. It has a lot of capabilities. You will be able to produce amazing outputs without any worry. It all depends on the way you put in your prompts. So let's try it out. Let's us pick one of the photos over here and let's try recreating them. For example, this one over here. Let me copy the prompt and let me go to the AI image generation over here on the left side, the user tools. Simply select this and we will be redirected to another page where you will be able to generate the different types of images. So simply put it over here, paste our prompt over here, and simply click on generate. And we now have our output over here being generated. There's a lot of different settings over here on the left side that you could play around with. You have number of images, prompt magic, alchemy, input dimensions or the aspect ratio, you have guidance scale, and many more. You can also use image prompt or image to image prompt and many more. You have all of this feature, and I've been using this platform for a while now. As you can see, as I scroll down, I have a lot of generated outputs already, so you don't have to worry about it being underperforming. It all depends on your prompt, and I assure you Leonardo will be able to meet your satisfaction. And as you can see, we have an amazing kitten cat over here with a realistic photo or a realistic or a high definition water effects over here. A very nice image generator, and I would really recommend this platform to you. Now moving on, let's go check out this second one, and it is called Lexica.art. Now Lexica.art also is able or capable to producing amazing outputs. As you can see here on their homepage, you have a lot of preview over here that you can check out. And similarly with what I'm going to do with Leonardo, I'm going to choose one of this and we could try recreating them. Copy prompt. And also one of the things that make Lexica unique is that you could search for an image over here and it will search anything related to the specific keyword that you put. So for example, space, click on search. It will only display outputs that are related to space. As you can see here, we could put in cat. It will show you the same thing, but this time it will show you only cat outputs. As you can see here, very nice. So let's go and generate our output. Click on generate, put in your prompt over here, and simply click on generate. And through that method, you will be able to generate your output. But right now for me, I don't have an active subscription, so I won't be able to use it right now because my monthly amount of generation has expired. But you will be able to generate absolutely for free. As you can see, I am able to produce, or I have produced outputs before that are very high quality, as you can see here. So it has a lot of potential. And the next one, the third one, is called Blue Willow. Now, if you're someone who uses Midjourney a lot, I'm sure you might have heard Blue Willow before. And it's an AI art generator that would allow you to also generate art similarly with the other two generator that we have talked about. Now, with Blue Willow, they have first started in Discord, similarly with Midjourney. Right now, Midjourney is still in Discord, but Blue Willow moved on from Discord, so now we have a site over here that we could actually generate different images from. And so let's test out the output or the ability of Blue Willow. You can see here we have the AI Studio. You can simply put in your prompt over here. You have your model over here. It's allowing us to use the Blue Willow version 4 over here. So let's ask dragon isometric style. Let's fix our spelling. Isometric style. And there's other prompts over here. Let's simply click on generate image. And we will be able to generate our image over here. As you can see, it's very similar to Leonardo. You have different options over here, but this is on a white website, as you can see. But there we go, you have your output over here. You will be able to create different types of output, and it has a lot of potential, as you can see here on their homepage as well. You don't have to worry about quality being dropped. Although some of this AI aren't as good as Blue Willow, they all have the potential to produce amazing results. And as you can see here right now in our preview, all of this are amazing. And moving on, we have the famous Firefly, Adobe.com. It is one of the best AI generator right now. It is very famous as well. It has a lot of features such as text to image, which we will check out today. Let's simply open it. And this is the default feature of the different AI generators, but you can check out the different features that it has as well. And as you can see over here, this is where you put in your prompt. It's very simple, very beginner friendly, and you will be able to see the different outputs that it has previously generated before, as you can see here on the background. And you will be able to see amazing outputs, for example, this one. And you could recreate them by simply opening them. Then you could see the output over here. Then you could change some of them. For example, let's say exploding photon flowers on fire. Let's add that. Then click on generate. Then you will be able to replicate the style, replicate the output that is very amazing. Then you could add some unique elements on your own as well, or something that would make it more unique. Your personal touch if you must, or if you say. And let's say, there we go, we were able to add like a fire effect as an extra bonus over here. It has a lot of capabilities, a lot of potential, and the thing that makes it more or much better is all of its different features as well, like the generated fill and text effects over here, and many more. You can check out the other outputs that people have been generating. But anyway, let's move on to our last one over here. We have Playground AI. This is their feed over here. You can see the different outputs that people are generating. It has a lot of potential. You are able to create amazing outputs depending on your prompt, of course. As you can see, you have a lot of amazing results. For example, this one over here, a very good 3D effect. You have this one over here, a very starry creative heaven over here, a really nice one. And there's many more outputs that you will be able to create very nicely with this. You simply click on create over here on the top right, and you can create your output in this part over here. And you will be able to put in your prompt. Now, since we have a little time and we don't have enough time, I won't show or generate anymore, but this is one of my outputs that I have generated. There's a lot of settings on our screen, and you can simply play around with this, and there's a lot of potential of this as well. And that's basically it, guys. Those are the 5 platforms that you could replace Midjourney on, or Midjourney from. And a lot of the AI aren't as good as Midjourney, but a lot of them has a lot of potential to overtake Midjourney as well. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.